As I started to question who I am, I reflected on my upbringing. Now, we were the only black family on our estate, so all of my friends were white. I was aware of the stark difference between my home life of a Caribbean household and my life outside the home. I couldn't share my interests in music, food, style, etc. with my friends. And the fact that so much about me, so much that I loved, was alien to this society made me question my place within this society. I, like many, experienced much prejudice, but this didn't affect me as much as you might think. Ironically, it was that sense of not belonging that protected me. England was where I lived, but not where I was from. So not being accepted wasn't such an issue. However, this doesn't mean that I simply accepted things as they were. I searched for the reasons why I face such discrimination, why I face such hostility. I looked into myself rather than focusing on those who hated me. I wanted to gain a stronger understanding of me. It was my curiosity in Rastafari that raised the biggest question. I'd been comfortable with my Caribbean self. My Caribbean identity was very important to me. Yet, within Rastafari, there was a belief that the Caribbean was Babylon. It was not our home. Indeed, it was as much a part of our oppression as England. Rastas wanted to leave the Caribbean and go to Africa. Now, I couldn't understand why they should reject their homeland and want to travel to Africa. They were Jamaican, not African. Prior to this, Africa had never featured in my understanding of self. Why should it? I was curious to find out if they knew something that I did not. In this case, curiosity didn't kill, it actually healed. That one word, Africa, taught me more about myself than a whole lifetime of experiences could.